Okay, this is for the Cosmic Creations shopping website. Firstly, obviously, you log into the back of the site. Over here on the left hand side, you've got WooCommerce, which has got your orders, settings, things like that. And then you've also got your products. Click on all products and you'll see exactly what I see here, which is a list of all of your products. If you want to edit any of those, you click on the name of the product. So let's, for instance, go to Rose Rabbit. Okay, that pulls up the product page. Scroll down past all of these boxes that are here until you get to product data. This is one of the craft categories, so it's a little bit different than the other products that have got different sizes and things. There's nothing like that. There's no variations on it. There's just one. It's got the regular price of £10. You'll see here, that's the product short description. I've got another tab open where I've got the site there. So if I just show you what that applies to. The short description is actually here. It appears in that box underneath the title and the price. Right, I'll go back to the edit. Now, what you have to do with this site, not with all sites, where you've got product data, you'll see shipping. Click on shipping and you'll see I've already put the class in. It's the shipping class, which is craft. But you'll see there I've got different shipping classes for the different things that this site's selling. But we'll keep that as class. So general is where you put the price on for these simple ones. At the top of the page is where the title goes, so whatever the product's called. On the right hand side here, you've always got to select a category that it goes into, and this one is ticked as crafts. I've already set these images, but the first one is product image. That's normally blank, and instead of remove product image, you've got something like set product image, which I'll remove this one actually to show you how that works. So I'll remove that product image, and set product image opens up your media library, which has got all of the images of the products and bits and pieces that we've added before. So I'll use this one, but if I didn't have the image in there, over here on the left hand side we've got media library and we've got upload files. Go to upload files, select file. That will take you onto your computer. So you navigate around to wherever you keep your images. You select your image and it will actually bring it up into the media library so that you can use it. But as I said, we've already got one, so I'll go back to using that one. At the bottom of the right hand side, there's nothing else you need to do with that. There's a green button there, set product image, and it will put it there. Product gallery, pretty much the same. If none of those were there, and I'll delete them so that they aren't, add product gallery images. So I'll select those three. Or you can do it one at a time, whatever's easiest. So you've got the three there. When you're happy with your changes or any alterations that are made, you click on update. Oh, one of the things that Tony wanted was to keep a record of the stock so that she knows that people can't order over a certain amount. So let's have a look on this simple product. Go down to product data again and go to inventory. Enable stock management at product level. So basically, I'm going to put this in, which Tony can then change. I'll put 5. It's got a low stock threshold. What happens then is it will actually send you an email if it reaches a low stock threshold. When it reaches 0, it will display on the front end of the site that the product's out of stock. And again, any changes that you've made, go over to the right hand side and click update. And you'll see the little circle going around as it's saving the page or whatever. Now, with Tony, she's actually got variations of items for sale, so we'll look at those. Go back to all products over on the left, and for instance we'll go to a vegan white t-shirt. So click on the title of it. You've got the title there. Scroll down past the coloured boxes to everything till you get to product data, and you'll see there that instead of a simple product, it's a variable product. Now I'm going to do this video just for ones that I've already done, not for new ones, but just so you can see how it's set up. Variable products have attributes and variations. The attributes, which you normally set up first, I've set this one up already, and it's size. And you'll see there, we've got small, medium, large or extra large. Visible on the product page, used for variations. Now, when we get to the variations, which is the bit Tony's actually going to need to adjust the stock level, you'll see that all the variations are there. You've got to physically open each one of these boxes, and you do that by clicking over here. Either the 3-line hamburger menu or whatever. The first line you'll see is enabled. Each variation has to have a price. So the regular price is £22 for this t-shirt. It's in stock. And what I've done wrong here somewhere is, okay, so you also have to tick manage stock. As soon as you tick manage stock, you'll see there are a new box with stock quantity, and put that at whatever you need it to be. For now I'm going to put it as 5. Okay, but you do that for each one of those variations. So that one is for small, open medium, click manage stock, and then put the stock quantity in. Do it for each one of those. When you've done them all, click that green button underneath them that says save changes. Go back on the right hand side to publish and click the green button that says update. That will then set stock for each of those images, each of those products, sorry. Right, this video hasn't gone into how you create the variations and the whether they're colours, whether they're sizes, but it's really just so that Tony gets an idea of how to set the stock values. I'll do another one on the variations and attributes for each product. And that's it basically. Whenever you leave the back end of your site, go up here. It's got Webmaster because that's the name that I'm using in the top right hand corner. Always click on log out. It's just the best practice way of doing it, and that will log you out. And that's it.